When you first enter one of your courses, you can click on the eyeglasses in the upper right-hand corner to see what it would look like for students. This particular one says there's no modules defined for the course. That's what the students first see. They see modules, and yet there are none there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the student view and set up what students will first see when they visit this course. The first thing I want to do is look at the options for the home page. So I can click Choose Home Page, and I see that the default is set to Course Modules. I can choose the activity stream, which will show what changes have been made during the course, things like announcements, etc. I could also go to the assignments list, so as I add assignments, those will show up. Or I could show the course syllabus, but I would have to have these posted. Now, one thing I want to do, which is the easiest way, would be to create a course front page, but that's not an option yet because I haven't created the front page. So I'll go ahead and hit Cancel for now and go over here to the Pages menu. Here I can click on Plus Page, and I'll create a page just called Welcome. And here, I'll go ahead and I've pre-typed some stuff here, so let me just copy and paste. And here it is. To keep up with class activities, please listen for announcements and use these links. So that way, if I do use Canvas to post announcements, they'll get to students, but also I have some links. So maybe you have your Zoom meeting link you want to post here to make it easy for students. I'm going to go to my Zoom meeting. I'm going to copy the invitation link, and then back in Canvas with the text highlighted, I'll just click the link button, click in the link box and paste my link, and click Done. Now, if I was using Google Classroom for most of my class activities, I want to go ahead and paste the link for that too. So I'll highlight it, copy the link from my Google Classroom page, go ahead and with Google Classroom selected, go ahead and just paste the link in there. Now, if you're using a class website, that might be another link that you want to give students. And mine happens to be a Google site. So if this is all you're going to do for your welcome page, go ahead and click Save. And now you can return to the home page. And on the side, click Choose Home Page. Notice, though, that the Pages is still not available. So let's return to the Pages. Let's make sure this is published. So I'll click on this icon to go ahead and make sure it's published. And then from the three-dot menu, I'll click Use as Front Page. Now when I return to the home page and I choose Home Page, it lets me choose that welcome page, and I just click Save. So now when I click the student view, students have something that will at least point them in the direction they need to go to be able to keep up with your course.